Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can manage your scrap on TranZact. So in order to manage your scrap, first of all, you need to define scrap in your bill of material. So let me show you how you can do that. First of all, you need to go in production module. On your left hand side, you will see production module option. Please click on this. Once you will go in production module, this is the list of bill of material which is created. So you need to go in bill of material. While creating bill of material, you can define scrap. So I have already created a bill of material. Let me show you, and I will show you that how I can define scrap into that. So in this screen, please check. This is the bill of material which I have created. So I am creating a bill of material for needle valve in which the raw material required are mentioned. Now here is the gray wire which is required in 50 quantity for my production process, but out of which 5 meters will come in my scrap. So how I can define it in BUM? So go a little below. Here you will find the scrap segment. So what I will do, I will click on add scrap row, and first of all I will define that how much scrap will come out of this particular gray wire. So I will select gray wire, and then after I will define the quantity. Now out of which 5 meter gray wire will come out of from my production. Now, here you need to define the cost allocation. Cost allocation is provided on the finished good and scrap as because accordingly the cost get calculated. So suppose from this scrap, I am defining that 2% of the cost will go in my scrap. So here I will change it to 2% from 0, and accordingly I will change the cost allocation in my finished good as well. So from here I will just make the change, and from 100 I will proceed for 98%. So 98% cost of the raw material will get calculated in my finished good, and 2% will go in my scrap. If that scrap is not meant, it is not associated or not linked with any of the price or cost allocation, you can keep it on 0, and the FG cost allocation will go on 100%. And accordingly, you need to save the BOM so that it will get listed. So let me first of all provide the BOM name, and going below, I will just save this BOM. Now, please check once I save this BOM, same has been defined. The cost allocation is 98% and the scrap cost allocation is 2%. Same you can go in the view BOM cost on your right hand side, very top corner. You can click on view BOM cost and please check. Accordingly, the cost calculation is being done. Only 98% of this cost will get calculated, and the 2% cost will go in scrap. Same will be used in your production process. There you can define, and there you can issue the scrap. I hope this video will be helpful to you while defining scrap. Have a good day ahead.